we have our eminent obstetrician and gynecologist, Dr. Sashikala Hande, with us today. Welcome, ma'am. Appreciate your coming here.
Thank you.
Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, I'm sure, for all of you out there, which is basically the role of dads in this entire pregnancy thing. You know, the Indian mindset generally tends to be it's actually left to the lady,
Mother.
really, right?
Yeah.
It's left to the mother to take care of it. The dad doesn't have much of a role. I'm
Right.
sure you're going to enlighten us with a different viewpoint today, doctor.
Yes. Yeah. First of all, thank you. I must differ in that fact, saying that nowadays mothers are expected to do everything. Nowadays, it is a totally different scenario altogether. Most fathers, 90% of the partners, that is the fathers, are happy to take part in all the pregnancy-related issues. I see a lot of my women coming with their husband for every antenatal visit. That's very encouraging. So the father will know what is happening in pregnancy, what are the problems faced by his wife, what advice is the doctor giving, and how to follow it up. So he will be more involved in the pregnancy, and the bonding is there right from the beginning, even before the baby is born. So lot of fathers do attend, all the classes. They also attend the prenatal classes and the antenatal classes, as well as the postnatal classes that is related to how to look after the baby. They do attend that, so they take a lot of interest. That is very, very encouraging. The role of fathers, I should say, is mainly more for the emotional support of the mother. Nowadays, with nuclear families being more on the rise, they don't have a full family support like their mother, father, in-laws to the pregnant women. So all the support they have to get is by their husband. And pregnant women do, feel a little lonely and depressed. Some people do feel a mild depression during pregnancy. Keeping them company is a lot that the husbands can do. And like I said, getting involved in the pregnancy, understanding the tiny little problems, helping her, just go with her for a walk, give her company so that she feels happy when you're involved with her. Things like that. It's more of an emotional support for the pregnant woman rather than anything else. And the fathers are also, that is the reason, the fathers are also allowed in the labor room to give support to the pregnant women, to encourage them during their labor pains, and also they love to watch the baby, their baby coming out first time into the world. It's a big emotional thing for them, and it is a total new experience, and of course it is a lifetime experience for them. So I think the fathers should take part in the whole process of pregnancy as well as the birth.
I think that was wonderful, doctor. Thank you very much. Really
Thank you.
appreciate your info.
You are listening to our video cast from Little Baby Bump. For more information, visit lilbabbybump.com or visit facebook.com/littlebabybump. Thank you.